I'm going to show you how to install this, the Tillex Hardware Integration Service. It's a really quick walkthrough. There's a longer tutorial on the Digi DS782. You can find that one in the Scales playlist on the Smokin YouTube channel. Plug your scales in using the RS232 port. If you don't have one and you're comfortable with tech, you could use a PCI card or a USB adapter like I have. Then go to your partner center and select the EPOS terminal you want to pair with the scales. If you've already listed a few scales, select them from the list here or add new ones. As the purpose of this video is to show you where to click for your unique Tillex Hardware Integration Service, I'm guessing you've followed the other tutorials on how to register your scales. It's all nice and simple. Just click on the software to open it, click on More Info and Run Anyway. Follow the instructions to install the software. Then the easiest way is to reboot your computer or go to the Windows Services app, locate the Tillex Hardware Integration Service, right click on it and select Start. After you've done this, you need to let the Tillex Partner Center know which communications port you are using. So hit the Windows button and type in Devices Manager, then look for Open Ports to see what's being used. If you pull out the USB or whatever you're using and plug it back in, it'll reappear. They're usually made by Prolific, but technology changes so fast, so if you're stuck, just give us a shout. Once you know the port number, go back to the administrator in the Partner Center and click on EPOS Configuration, get back to the device you're twinning with your scales, and go to the Scales tab and tell the Partner Center which port number you are using. Okay, so that's how easy it is. No more stock takes. You have real-time stock control from the till. Those using the integrated scales feature look like this because they don't have to do any more stock takes. And I've literally just walked through the knowledge document in the SharePoint library. All Tillexians have access to it, so if you need any support, do email support@tillex.co.uk, read the knowledge base articles and watch the tutorials.